In this video, I want to talk about cosmetic product formulation. This will be valid for the hand creams and also maybe hair products, but not shampoos. Firstly, we have three different phases in these products. The first phase is water-based phase, water-based chemicals, or phase, maybe phase is more correct. And the second phase is the oil phase, and the third phase is the cold phase. In water phase, we basically need, of course, water, which is our solvent. And in oil phase, oil is our solvent. There might be more than one oil, of course, but oil are the solvent. And in oil phase, we also include an emulsifier. And the main aim of the emulsifier is to dissolve oil and water phase homogeneously. Basically, we heat these two, oil phase and water phase, about 60 Celsius. It can go up to, of course, maybe 70 Celsius, but it shouldn't exceed that amount since there are some organic molecules. There is no only emulsifier. We can also make other things. For instance, in water phase, we can include some alcohols. These alcohols can decompose at higher temperature. It can damage the product, of course. Whatever, in the production line, so I am actually talking about the production part of these products, we heat the water phase and oil phase in separate reactors. We have water phase and we have oil phase. We heat them, we mix them, we add required chemicals, both phases, which can handle the heat. We keep them at 60 Celsius or 70 Celsius, whatever, and then we mix these two. So we will need another reactor or case. We mix them in here. So in this case, we have an oil phase plus water phase. And by the way, we have to mix them very well. I am making a mixer. This is a mixer. We have to mix them when they are hot enough. And oil phase and the water phase will start to combine with each other. And this emulsifier, which is the most important thing here, this emulsifier will bind the oil phase and the water phase. After a while, our product, this product, will be about, for instance, 30 Celsius, okay, or 40 Celsius. And then we can include the cold phase. We can mix again. This cold phase can include vitamins, and vitamin E is generally the most common one. We may need a surfactant, which is very important. The surfactant provides the constant viscosity for our product. For instance, if you don't add the surfactant, then in the oil phase, emulsifier can crystalline and the viscosity can start to increase in time, which might be very, very bad for your product since your customers will not probably like a cream which is very solid. So viscosity is our key issue. It is the biggest issue actually, since finding correct surfactant is one of the hardest part. We also need a preserver. For instance, I am using German Plus, which is very common, and we add them into cold phase. So this is our cold phase. We add these chemicals inside our product or inside our reactor. We mix them, we cool it, we can separate the products and we can put them into small containers. We wait and then we can sell the product. So this is the idea. It is doable, and this is the basic process of the production of some cosmetics.